All right, I think this is sort of basically working. We drop a link on Twitter and I'm good to go. And I wonder how it's going to be to do Xcode and streaming at the same time. Seems like a recipe for my computer not cooperating. But, all right, let's kick this off. All right. So I'm trying to do another live stream, get in the habit of doing these every time I learn something new and figure something out. Um, I'm trying to do today. What I'm trying to do today. I want to write my first iOS app. Got, a few hours on my hands, and my main goal, what inspired me to try and do this today, was I want to sort of make a radio station app. So I have a little radio station thing called rando.live. And basically, right now it just cycles through. I have a few friends who've like made a couple hours, and it just plays the hour shows at different intervals. So basically, the website is super simple. You just go to it, you press play, you get the live stream. There's a little schedule. But what I want to make is I want to make a sort of iOS app equivalent of this, where you can just sort of open the app and there's a big play button to play Rando Live. So the radio station app, the main goal is you want to have, we want to load, I'm playing music, load the live MP3 stream. And actually, while we're here, let me pull it up. Did I delete it? Did I close that window already? Let's pull the URL for that MP3 stream, just so I don't have to go back and get it again later. And I don't know anything about iOS. I don't know anything about Swift. So I'm probably gonna watch some tutorials or like figure. I'll be figuring this out, and that's what I think makes an interesting live stream. Also, is that I'm sort of, you can sort of see the methods, not just how to do something, but how to figure out something new. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find the MP3 stream. Here we go. So here's the URL. Not that complicated. It's just stream. So URL is that. So we want to load the live MP3 stream, start app, and press play button. Play button starts stream. I also want to be able to exit the app, and music still plays. And that is, well, maybe some cool graphics or something in the background, some cool generative art or something like that. And then like a cool loading screen, maybe. Oh, and then the schedule page, which I don't really, I don't know. I don't know how to go about it. So I'm gonna tweet this out where we're at. Doing, let's see. Doing a Twitch live stream now. Trying to make my first iOS app ever. We'll see how it goes. Nope, that's the audio stream. No, we want to do, it's https twitch.tv/EJFox. And we'll just tweet that out. And then because of that, I should probably open Twitch so I can see the chat in case. Last time I was doing some coding live streams, it was really interesting because the people would join in the chat and like tell me how to do stuff better, which is like super rad and a great way to use live streaming, in my opinion. So just getting everything set up. Goodness gracious, and I need my 2FA code. Yeah. So this is the plan for this stream. And all right, so I basically have my elements in place. I have my stream URL, which is like an MP3 stream. I have my Xcode project, which I've named rando.live. I sort of watched, before I started, I watched like a 3-minute YouTube video on how other people do this. So I'm just going to start there and see how things go. So, first things first, they said you can design the app in this storyboard file. So I'm just going to open that up first and get this party rolling. Yeah, I was wondering how my computer would react to running both Xcode and OBS, and it sure seems like it doesn't enjoy it. But we'll blast through as much of this as we are able to. Oh, cool. So it loaded. Okay, so this is my storyboard situation. This is my app. How do I add stuff? Okay, not with a right click apparently. Maybe. See, I didn't watch the video that carefully. New view. Ooh, I love this plus button. What's that all about? Oh, yeah. Yeah, label. Great. Love it. All right, did I make my label or what? I want a label. Label, please. Label. Do I have to type it? Label? I can't have a label? Oh, you drag it? All right. Okay, cool. Sick, I have a label. That's exactly what I wanted. And I would love, it'd be great. This is like still pretty early, but I'd love to make the background like a gradient situation like this. Ooh, something that just went poof. I wonder. Uh-oh. I want my label. Label, please. Label. Thank you. Great. Killing it. Alright, so what shall it say? It shall say rando.live radio. And then size. Way up. We're talking, can we go like 20, like way up. Let's do this centered. And then I don't know how alignment works in this. Like, can you make it always centered on the artboard? Oh, goodness gracious. Oh. Oh, yeah, great, perfect. All right, rando live radio. Cool. Now, what I want I want to have a little button that starts the stream. So I guess I'll do that. We can add a button. Since we know how to add things now. Button. Fixed space, flexible space. Yeah, just do a normal button. Button. Center it. Yeah, there we go. Background. Whoa, my Jesus. Whoa, holy shit. Background image. How come it looks so goddamn ugly? How about that? Can you make it look like a normal button? And no, I don't want this. Scale enormous. Alright, seems good. Can we make the button way bigger too? Button. Alright, and we want it to say play. Oh, it would be great. Do they have an image? Like a play button image? That'd be fantastic. Play. Oh, sick. That's what we're talking about. Yeah, I want a circle. Well, play circle. Yeah, yeah. Now we're talking. Why is it so tiny, though? Can you... That's altogether strange. Alright, whatever. It's a fucking button. Same. Who cares if it is not beautiful? And the color is white. Text color is white on white. Play. Yeah, here we go. Text color. Dark, please. Play. Amazing. And can we give it an outline? Ooh, here we go. What's all this about? No. Seems good. Seems fine. Okay, so we have our little, this is the app. You start it up. It has a play button. Now, my main question is, how the fuck do buttons work in Xcode? I mean, I guess what I want to know is, like, iOS, Swift, MP3 stream, AV player. I heard AV player is a thing. This is me just guessing and hoping for the best. How to stream audio. Yes, that's exactly what I would like. How to play MP3 audio from URL in iOS Swift. Yes, again, me. That is what I would like. AV player view controller. That sounds pretty cool. Yeah, this guy seems like he's doing what I want. Loading.
Hello and welcome dear friends to a new Swift 4 tutorial.
Sick.
This is the programming Jedi, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can use an AV player view controller to play sound.
Alright, let's fucking get to it, man. Let's kick it off.
Different options how we can get things done. And yes, I want to show you in this tutorial, as I said, how to implement audio in your app by using an AV player.
Sick. Let's kick it off.
And make sure copy items if needed is checked.
What did he just do? I skipped too far.
Into
Oh, he...
my project.
Oh, he like...
So,
Interesting.
And make sure copy items if needed is checked and finished. And now I'm changing to the assets folder and dragging two images in this assets folder.
Okay.
And one image shows a light show, and the other image shows the Milky Way. And now let's select it to the view controller and make it bigger so that it top at the left 0, at the right 0, and 0 at the bottom. Let's add these for
That's pretty cool.
Milky content next.
That's pretty sick.
horizontally in container, vertically in container, and make it a bit bigger. So I'm setting constraints for the width and height also.
He seems a lot better at this.
120, the height, now let's say 60. Okay.
Yep, that seems a lot easier than the way I did it. Sick. This is way cooler. So you can just do that stuff. And then make it stick to the middle. Can I just make left 120, right 120, top 200, bottom 200, maybe? Something like that? Oh no, I've ruined everything. Oh, I'm sorry. Never mind. Go back to how you were. Okay, great. All right, so as you were saying, sir, fancy pants, sir.
This is okay, and now I will change the text color to white, and the font of the button is going to be a custom font, and if you I want to add rounded borders, some editor, and now what I want to do is to give, as I said, this button a nice border, and I'm going to the view controller Swift file in the view.load method. Yes, this is the reason why I've created an outlet for the button, because we can address items that we use in our view controller, that we use in our view by
I got distracted at an important part.
Swift file in border, and I'm going to the view controller.
Okay, view controller, great.
In the view.load method. Yes, this is the reason why I've created an outlet for the button, because we can address items that we use in our view controller, that we use in our view by
Okay, view controller, hit me. Sick. I don't have my button in here, but I'll figure out how to do that, I guess. He did it. How do you put his button in here? Can I go back? Is there like a put your button in Swift button? Oh, I'm hilarious. No, but really, how do you do stuff with the button? Whoa, yeah, yeah. Touchdown. I want a touchdown. What's this do? Drag it to stuff. I'm sorry. What else is going on in here? I guess I should just watch how he did it. I'm bad at watching tutorials. How did he get... He like did a bunch of stuff with this button after to make it available.
Before I go into the view controller Swift file, I want to close the attributes inspector and open the assistant editor, and make an outlet connection for the button. So
What? Okay, I did. Okay, yeah, fancy. Seems fun. I want to do. What the fuck did he do? Did this and then what? Oh no, no, I'm just pressing things. It's probably not. Oh no, that is what I want. Whoa. No, it's not what I want. How did he do what he just did? It was fucking crazy.
Button. So connection for the button, but before I
It's in this little hidden part
into
up
the
here.
view controller Swift file, I wanna close the attributes inspector and open the assistant editor.
Is that what he like? I want to close the blah 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 and open the assistant editor. Oh, is that what are you talking about? What is this? I wish I knew what button he pressed.
Close the attributes inspector and open the assistant.
It's the one in the middle here, but there is no one in the middle here. I feel like I'm missing stuff. Adjust editor options. Show or hide code review. No. Debug area. Navigator. Oh. Assistant? He called it like an assistant inspector or something. Yeah. Yeah, I want that. Yeah. Yeah, that's what he did. Perfect, killing it. Whatever this is down here, don't need it. No, thank you. And then he did this. He like dragged the, oh no. Oops. He dragged the button over in some way I don't understand.
And make an outlet connection for.
Did he say alt? Nope. That duplicates. How do you...
The button. So...
Okay, so... How... Oh, okay. Triggered... We'll just do touchdown. Right? And then he did it. Name, play button, type any, love it, great. Connect, right?
Let's make a connection, an outlet connection, and I call this connection a button. This is simple enough.
And he does it in inside view did load. So I guess I'll do the same thing. Because that makes sense to me. Great.
And the next is that I also want to have an action connection. So let's change the connection type from outlet to action this time.
What?
And,
Can you not? This seems right. What are you upset about, Xcode? Only instance methods can be cleared in IB action. Replace IB action with nothing. I don't. What the fuck are you talking about? Funk play button. Should it go here? Is that what you were upset about? Should it be outside? I don't know what this dude's talking about.
this action button. Net, and we're done. Let's close the assistant editor. And now what I want to do is to give, as I said, this button a nice border.
Yeah.
Items that give here.
Excuse me. What if I want to give it a border? You referencing outlet? Button? That looks a lot more like what he was doing, though. Oh yeah, sick. Can I do what he did then? View did load. Button dot layer dot